Hey Roblox fans, today I will show you how to unblock someone on Roblox. First of all, open Roblox and log into your account. Click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, go to the Privacy tab. Scroll down to find the Blocked Users section. This is where all the accounts you have blocked are listed. Find the user you want to unblock in the list and click the unblock button next to their name. Confirm your choice when prompted. If you want to reconnect, search for their username in the Friends tab and send them a friend request. And that's it. You have successfully unblocked someone on Roblox. If this helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.